Hello guys, today we are talking about the game have more than 50 million plus downloaders and in high graphics. Our first game is a high graphics game. Its name is Nova Legacy, a game of 47 MB. It is a fighting game in the space. We are fighting in a spaceship. It has so much guns, enemies, skins, and all you want. It is in online and offline. This is a high graphics game. Our second game is a game of cars. Yes, I am talking about Traffic Tour, a game of low MB and high graphics. This game has only 17 MB. You have to try this. This game you can modify your car and it have so much cars. We can modify anything you want in your car, and this is a real time racing. You have to try this. This is cool cars that you ever see in your life, and it is also in low MB. You have to try it. It can be played in online and offline. It has so much maps. Our third game is a game of fighting. Yes, I am talking about Mortal Kombat, a game of 1.3 GB. It have unlimited fighting game of our enemies. You have to fight with your enemies, and you have so much weapons on, and you have so much skins and powers. You have to try this. This is a cool game, but it has so much MB. Our fourth game is a zombie shooting game. It have a high graphics. It is also in Play Store. I am talking about Dead Trigger 2. It have 539 MB and it have so much weapon that you have to think that, and it is in high graphics and you can play it with your friends. It has so much guns and you have to kill the zombies and survive. It has so much weapon and you can make your own place. Fifth game is an online PvP game. I am talking about Modern Strike Online, a game of 874 MB. It have more than so much guns you have ever seen, and it have high graphics also. You have to fight with enemies. It is in an online game. You have to try this. You have in team and you have to kill your all enemies. Sixth game is Badminton League. It is a cool game and it is also in low MB. It is in 17 MB and you have to try this. This is a cool game and you have to battle with your enemies in badminton. There is so much entries in game. You have to defeat all of them and become the champion of badminton. You have to try this. It is advanced in control the world ranking. Our seventh game is an online PvP game. I am talking about Guns of Boom. It is a game of 837 MB. It is an online PvP game and it has a cartoon graphics. And this is also a cool game. You have to try this. This has so much guns and all of you want. You have to try this. This is a good game in this MB. Our eighth game is a game of Sonic. This is a cool game. Each game is Sonic Forces Running Battle, a game of 126 MB. This is a running battle game in the world. You have to try this. These are more skins and it has most high graphics game in running games. You have to try this. Our ninth game is a high graphics car parking game. It have all different levels and so much cars. Yes, I am talking about Car Parking Multiplayer, a game of 376 MB and realistic graphics and so much cars, trucks. You have to try this. Our last and 10th game is Car Simulator 2, a game of 215 MB. You have to try this. This is a cool game in low MB. It has so much cars and realistic physics. You have to try this. You can do anything with your cars, and it have so much missions that you can do and different cars, and you can also modify your car. Today's video ending here. Let's see in our next video. Bye.